So what my mate's doing there is you can see that there's an Allen key in position there. He's taking that 17mm off the sway bar linkage there. Unfortunately, this is the only way to do it. The top nut is already undone. That came off easy. It's the bottom ones that are really tough to do. Without saying anything, obviously the car's got the wheels off and it's on stands, because to do a sway bar you have to have both sides even. So just show you on this side here, I've already loosened them off. So that's a 17mm on the top there. So if the top one was a turn as well, then you could get an Allen key in there, in the top there, take that nut off. Fortunately the top ones in these come off easy, and it's the bottom one on this side here is the same. It's going to need the Allen key, because when I turn it you can see that the center turns as well. So I need the Allen key on this side as well. And then once that's done, the linkages are loose, so they just pop out, there's no danger. Swap them over. So this side's done, you can see the new one's in. Sway bar was nice and loose, like I said, there's no danger there. As long as you keep both sides even, so there's no stress on that sway bar, you change both sides at the same time. 17mm did it up. All I did was the old trick of just using another spanner on a spanner, give it a nice tighten up, and I'm just showing you reverse right now because it's easier. That'll be to loosen it, but just do that, tighten them up as hard as you can. I didn't use any torque specs. Mate's doing the other side right now. There's a cinch to install, so once he's done that, tighten it all up, put the wheels back on, job's done. Alright, till next time guys, cheers.